This has like walnuts, berries, cranberries. Nick. Nick. I'm gonna do your facial now, okay? I have the camera in your face. Taking care of your spouse is such a beautiful way to show love and appreciation. And so in this heartwarming video, join me as I pamper my amazing spouse, Nick, with a rejuvenating facial and an amazing breakfast in bed surprise. Let us cherish the precious moments that we have together and make every day a celebration of love and self-care. So I am going to be starting this routine by gently kind of just cleansing his face a little bit. I'm not going to actually use a cleanser here, but I'm just going to kind of wipe away a little bit of dirt and grease, just as you would if you were taking off your makeup. Right here, I am using the steamer, the facial steamer, and I'm trying to get those pores to open up for me so we can get him a really good cleanse. I'm going to be using this extraction tool. This extraction tool is really amazing to have on hand if you want to do some extractions. Not a good idea to poke and prod too much. Just kind of, push down very lightly, very gently so that you don't cause any scarring. We want to very carefully remove what is already coming to the surface. I am going to be using the Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. It's by Drunk Elephant. Love their product, and we will be using it a couple more times. We are going to be doing the whole entire shebang. We're going to be cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and everything in between. We are going to debunk the myth that men don't really need skincare. They don't really need to have a facial, a routine. So I am massaging this product, working it in really, really good. Okay, here we go. Next up, we have the Philosophy Microdermabrasion Peel. I'm so silly. Okay, so we have the microdermabrasion peel. So we are going to be applying this to our sweetheart's face. This product has a little bit of a warming sensation, so we're going to work it in real good. Okay, be sure to work it right in there, get it all in there. This is the good stuff. This is part 2 of this treatment. This is the peel activator. So you have to follow the instructions. Make sure you don't miss this step because it's just not going to work. Okay, so let's talk men's skincare. So definitely taking care of a man's skin is not just about appearance. It's a powerful act of self-care and well-being. Well, in this case, I'm taking care of him. Okay, so our skin being the largest organ, it definitely deserves attention and care to maintain health and vitality. And a well-crafted routine helps to cleanse, exfoliate, blah, 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 just like I mentioned, and nourish the skin, as I mentioned previously. And it can effectively combat concerns like dryness, acne, signs of aging, beyond the physical benefits, and a consistent skincare routine can boost confidence, leaving you feeling refreshed, revitalized. And my goal here is to get his skin nice and smooth so that he can feel young and spry again. My vocabulary shocks me sometimes. I'm like, what? Did I just use the word spry? Okay. Anyways, so I am steaming his face with a washcloth. I have these heated washcloths. I heated them up in the microwave, and I am using them as I go through the process. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, it was Nick's birthday and I decided to do this for him, but every now and then I do give him a little bit of pampering, so this is not totally off the wall and not just for a birthday. Here we are with SK2. If you guys know, this thing is expensive. Oh my gosh. Nick, you don't want to know. Don't ask. Okay, so I'm about to apply this. I'm going to use a cotton pad. Like, I'm cringing right now that I'm using cotton because I normally just slap it on with my hands. This one is not a toner. It's an essence, so it applies the product, the active ingredient, really, really well. Okay, after this, we are on to this pumpkin mask sheet, and we are trying to work on anti-aging. So we're putting a little bit more product on here. Okay, so the SK2 Patera was the groundwork. So we are going to now absorb all of these beautiful chemicals into our skin to help get us smooth and luxurious. Wakey, wakey, my sweet husband. Okay, so we are taking off the mask, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub a little bit of that product in so we don't lose any of it, and then we are going to apply additionals. I probably should have said this before I got started, but I'm not an esthetician, so this just simply is a array that works for me, so don't quote me on anything, the order, whatever, it just works for me. Okay, so these are our additional products, our Pharmax. We're going to use her. This one is a really good one. It is Bakuchio. I hope I said that right. It's an anti-aging product. This next one is Comfort Zone Re-Night Cream, which is a nourishing nighttime cream. It is nighttime, so we're going to go ahead and use that too. And the next one is a Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So we are going to get him nice and dewy. We're gonna make breakfast. So I have Sarah over there. She's gonna help me make breakfast. You're gonna help me make breakfast for Daddy? Yeah. Okay. The plan for today is to make some muffins. What on earth am I doing? I forgot how to get this thing up. Yes. Okay. So the plan for today is to make muffins for Daddy. We're gonna make some oatmeal muffins. Like that. Okay, so we need 2 cups. And we're using the red ones or eggs. We're gonna get the eggs.
I already got the eggs. You just cracked the egg.
One nice hit. Let's go. Oh, here we go.
Another yolk.
Okay, so we have the oats. Okay. You almost didn't make it with the oats. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup of this, 1 cup.
just looks like.
Are you getting tired, Sarah? Okay, we'll dump the egg in a minute. So, we'll dump the egg. Okay. Ready to dump the egg? Okay.
Dumping the so. And it drops. Here.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Only feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens to my flow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own.
Mommy, drop the little spoon there.
Okay, so Nick got the vanilla that I absolutely don't like, but we're gonna use it anyway. This is pointless.
No.
I like real vanilla.
No.
This one is the imitation vanilla. I don't like it, but we'll use it anyways.
Once around. Now can we eat it? Like you're walking it?
Okay, I'm gonna put it slowly.
I don't like the smell. It smells very nasty.
Okay, so we're gonna use a set that I had from last year's Thanksgiving. I didn't use. These were grateful, thankful cups. So why not? And Thanksgiving is, or fall, I should say, is just around the corner. So why not? Whatever.
Keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray.
Because I don't think it's gonna make a whole lot of muffins. And whatever we don't use, we'll just use it the next time.
You're gonna be.
Wait, Sarah. Just let me try to focus.
Okay, put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. I feel it. Oh my gosh, thanks, Mama.
A little bit more. Hold on, wait. Okay, that one's a little messy, so we're going to put it off. Okay, so you go ahead and fill this just a little bit more. That's it. Good job. Okay. Fill this one. Can you put that in there for me? Can you move it? Okay, move that one in there.
In here?
Yeah, put it on one of the empty spots. Oh.
Oh my god.
We're not going to get a whole lot. We're not going to fill all of them.
Oh my god. Just one at a time. Just one at a time. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm very messy.
Good girl. We'll do another one. It's messy. Okay. The oven is preheated. It's preheated. Okay, we gotta hurry because we're gonna be late for church. Oh my goodness.
We need to go right now.
So we have, we can maybe get like 3 more muffins, I think, or 2 more muffins. 2 more muffins, I don't think we need these.
After we're gonna get like 4 drugs.
We only need 2 more muffins. And then we'll just put some water on the other side.
Water on the other side. Water.
So we can have some moist muffins.
So, Monday. So.
Let's make a little topping for the muffins.
Oh, I got a topping.
Okay, so I just quickly created a topping. I left the fridge open. Okay, so this has like walnuts, berries, cranberries, and some almonds in it. So I'm just gonna throw this, kind of throw it on top of these really quickly.
Oh, baby. You know there was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Yeah, yeah. I knew that it was something special. Baby boy, you want my treasure. I know we got it. I know we got it, baby. Got it, baby. Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way.